What is going on out there, peeps? All right, yesterday was the magical meeting. Yes, of the influencers. Jack Dorsey and Elon Musk met. Finally. Now, did their meeting influence cryptocurrencies in any way, shape, or form, like they normally do? We'll see here shortly. CBDCs, we got to talk about them. For some strange reason, there seems to be a mad push all of a sudden. You guys need money outside of the system. I'm telling you right now, it's for your own good. You need gold and silver outside of the system. I just said right now that the CBDC is being pushed faster than before. You guys heard me play the video from the guy from the BIS. What did he say? We will be able to control the monies, and we had the mechanisms to do it. Not good. So, when you go buy your gold and silver, go to our friends over there at Money Metals Exchange. The link is down below in the description. If you are a first-time buyer and you spend more than $100, use promo code Pimpy, P-I-M-P-Y, and you will get a free half ounce of silver. We like free stuff, especially when it's precious metals. For those of you looking for my address, there it is right here. And again, slowly but surely, this channel is really starting to build up, and I appreciate it. So I had to reach out to my the person who handles the website and tell him to increase the amount of videos that it holds, because there's a lot of special videos that are going there that people want shared with a lot of information that you people should be learning from. Go support our friends over at Wall Street Silver. Their YouTube channel and website links are down below in the description. Show them some love. And you guys know we got over on Facebook, it's a free Facebook group, Pimpy's Investment Chat. Same name as the YouTube channel. Come on over here and join us. We do talk about gold, silver, cryptocurrencies, as well as foreign currency investments. So what happened with gold and silver? They took a shellacking. Well, silver did, not so much gold. Gold has been teetering in the same area for the most part. Let's refresh real quick. Let's talk about the precious metals. Yeah, gold's been lingering around about the $1,800 mark. That's fine. We expected it. Silver took a whop, whop, dropped down below $24 or $25, but all of a sudden seems to be recovering. We're about 80 cents from where it was before it got shellacked. So little by little, it's been recovering. It's been lingering around the same area. It started to drop briefly, but then it rebounded real quick. Speaking of rebounds, ever since the chitter-chatter between Jack Dorsey and Elon Musk, well, for some strange reason, cryptocurrency seemed to be moving. Now, the weird thing was, I was thinking to myself yesterday, I heard people talking about a specific crypto before the big show. It's on a separate channel. They were talking about Polygon. I was like, what the hell is Polygon? And I was looking, I was like 19 cents. I was like, while they're talking about it. So I just dropped a couple hundred in there to see what's going on. And it jumped from 19 cents up to like 92 cents. I was like, I'll take it. Now I'm like kicking myself in the back going, man, should have dropped $1,000 in there. But you never know. That's the thing. One thing I did notice as well is the cryptocurrencies are moving pretty decently, but the one that wasn't, XLM. I was like, let's move a little money in there, see what happens. Sure enough, it jumped up in double digits today. You see right here, 18%. We'll take it. So, yeah, cryptos are moving in a positive direction, which is important. They're finally starting to move. Will they continue? I don't know. But again, once again, it just proves my point. You have these people who are so-called icons in social media or just in media in general. All they do is go in there and they talk about some cryptocurrencies and boom, the cryptocurrencies are moving. Huh. Very, very interesting. And altogether, for the most part, with a couple of exceptions, which are your stablecoins. I don't know about Hex. I don't think Hex is a stablecoin. No, it's not. Okay, so anyways, cryptocurrencies are starting to move. Here's the thing. So all of a sudden, countries, I'm reading these articles of different countries, starting to quickly force the CBDC. which is a central bank digital currency. These people are really worried about what's going on here in the United States. I was like, man, they can't be worried about the audits. I wonder if they are. I wonder if they're starting to realize that in order for them to be effective and successful in their agenda, they have got to have control of the United States. They know this. But it's not just the United States. People are rising up all over. They don't want this mess. So here they are trying to hurry up and to force people out of cash, get them into CBDC so they can really try to control the masses at a much higher level. So I think people are wising up to that. Again, as much as I want to love and support cryptocurrencies, they're still stuck in the system one way or another. So buy gold and silver. It's out of the system. If something should happen and they're trying to control everybody's monies and they don't have access to it, guess who does? You. Yeah, that's you. You know what? So, 2 thumbs up. Point them to the back. You. So silver. This looks bad, but that's by the minute. So that's not what we want. We want by the hour. So as you can see, right here, it started to just really back on, I think it was 16th? Yeah, so on July 16th, all of a sudden, magically, 634, dropping all the way down as far as here, which was on the 20th, which is down to 24.72. So it keeps slowly but surely finding its way up. That's an ugly looking pattern, but at least it's going up in the right direction. That's that direction we wanted to go into. So we'll keep an eye on it, but again, it really did take shellacking the other day. So speaking of which, CBDCs, look at this. India considering phased rollouts of central bank digital currency. So I can't stress this enough for the United States. Them try to force us into the central bank cryptocurrency or digital currency. Again, you guys, that means BIS, the Bank of International Settlement, is dictating policy to the United States. Our Constitution literally tells us that's illegal. We don't have to cooperate with that. And if they try to force us into it, you can make a stance. India's central bank is considering launching a digital currency, according to the top executive. Of course, they're feeling pressed for time all of a sudden. Given a clear indication of its intentions for the first time after previously stating that it was studying the idea. Yeah, they're not studying anything. They're already there. They're already created. Talking about, oh, we're going to study that. No, there's nothing to study. You guys already studied this. Or my favorite is like Christina Laguerre going, well, what we're going to do is we're going to put it out there and get input from the public. No, you're not. You'll just lie. You go, well, overwhelmingly, the public loves it. Where's your stats? It doesn't matter. No, where's your stats? Here. That looks like a handwritten piece of paper. You just wrote that on there. It doesn't matter. In other words, they're going to try to control the narrative on everything and try to make it look like everybody in the world wants to go in this direction. When we're seeing people rise up and go against this. So congratulations to India. Yes, you're going to get that central bank digital currency. Let's see how that works for you. They're talking about, well, look at it this way. Everybody will have access around the world. Will have access anyways. Well, this is different. No, it's faster. So what? I can use my ATM card and it's done just as quick. This is faster. It gets there pretty damn quick. Like within a second. What do I care? A nanosecond? I don't care. Talking about how it's, oh, there's equality for everybody because everybody's going to have access to it. Everybody has access to a bank now. So whatever you're reaching out to, these people in these cockamania areas that are really hard to get out to, and you go, hey, buddy, would you like a central bank digital coin? Yeah. They're like, no, I just want the bank account. What is the difference? If you could rush out to them to push them into the CBDC, you could give them a normal bank account. So, anyways, it looks like India is going to start phasing them out, the digital currency, which will be backed by sovereign Sovereign. Like the gold sovereign coins? Backed by sovereign. Will low the economy reliance on cash? See, they're trying to get you away from cash, period. If you guys don't stand up and fight, then they're just going to do it. Period. You can sit there and complain about it too late or later on when it's too late. It doesn't do any good. This is what you want to see more of. Bitcoin ATMs to invade Circle K convenience stores. So that's mass awareness, mass adoption. You want people going in that direction. You don't want any governments controlling this stuff. You want to decentralize, but we know that's not going to happen. So all this is indoctrinating more people to accept the central bank digital currency. Bitcoin Depot is making a play for brick and mortar foot traffic through a long-term crypto ATM partnership. Okay. The crypto ATM company plans to install that kiosk, okay, at thousands of Circle K locations, according to the press release. Over 700 already have been in 30 states. Nice. Aiming to put 6,000 kiosks across North America by 2021 is done. It's almost there now. So, when it comes to cryptocurrency, you do want mass adoption. You want mass awareness. You start doing stuff like this. People go into ATM, they're like, what is this? Oh, it's cryptocurrency. Oh, what the hell is that? And they go and they learn about it and they get it. Mass awareness, mass adoption, unless it's being done for the wrong thing. I'm not sure what to think of this guy. Yeah, he just looks like a skinhead to me. You know what I mean? Oh, here you go. You ready for this? Jack Dorsey hopes Bitcoin can bring about world peace. Yes, Bitcoin's going to jump out of the computer, start going around and talking to your politicians and tell them to stop being corrupt, just like they are to the bankers. And that'll bring you world peace. That's taking it too far there, peyote sucker. All right. Twitter and Square CEO Jack Dorsey has long been a Bitcoin enthusiast. In fact, he's optimistic about the cryptocurrency. He reckons it could bring about world peace, full planet. The billionaire suggests Bitcoin could help address financial inequalities and allow humanity to concentrate on bigger issues. How is Bitcoin going to fix inequality? You just going to start randomly giving me money into people's accounts? I'll take it. My hope is that it creates world peace or helps create world peace. So for those of you who are unaware, Jack Dorsey lives out some hideout in the Arizona desert. Somebody needs to kick him off of the peyote. Seriously, a cryptocurrency is not going to bring world peace. It's the people that need to bring the world peace. Are you saying cryptocurrencies will assist in bringing about world peace? These guys are supposed to be brainiacs. Very interesting. But it's a positive note. And of course, people are like, well, I want to bring world peace in. So what do? They buy it. Yeah, good. So whatever. The point is, it's driving the cryptocurrencies up. So it is on a teeny bit of a run. But this is the kind of stuff that you go like, really? Did they really just say this? Can Elon Musk, Cathie Wood, and Jack Dorsey save Bitcoin? Of course they can. They got a lot of money. They can just pay for it and leave it there. They save it all they want. I know, wrong kind of save. Bitcoin is doing its best to keep a head above water. Can Musk, Wood, and Dorsey throw it a life preserver, or will it continue to sink? Well, we saw what the hell happened. 500 contracts for puts. These contracts at about $22,000. In other words, Bitcoin has to keep on dropping down in its value. Bitcoin prices have been under heavy pressure for several months. But on Wednesday, the cryptocurrency was up about 8%. Hallelujah. Today, gains aside, it hasn't been pretty, Bitcoin. It hasn't been pretty. Bitcoin is still down 50%. Oh, man, that's why it's not a safe haven. Ouch. 50%. Remember 2008 when I was telling you everybody's 401ks and IRAs tanked about 50%? And then they lost their rest trying to live on it? So kind of vision this being your cryptocurrency 401k or IRA. But again, using individuals to try to influence the value of a cryptocurrencies, not my idea of having something free and independent. That's just my opinion. Square stocks break out as investment into Bitcoin heats up. Should you buy the IBD 50? So, what do? They're talking about what? Square broke out after investing more into Bitcoin. So remember I was talking about how these people do this thing. It's called the Wyckoff. They jack it up and then it goes down and then people are too busy hoping that it rebounds real quick. You don't. It gets all the way down to the bottom. You lost a ton of money. You want to sell your cryptocurrencies. They buy them cheap and then they let the price go back up again. It's a vicious cycle. Everybody trying to predict it. Just look at the Wyckoff. Right now we're in the accumulation stage. Drive the value down. Store up on the coins. That's what is going on, in my opinion. Among leaders growth stocks, our IBD 50 stocks to watch. Pick for the time is Square stock. No, I mean, I don't want to support these idiots, Jack Dorsey or Elon Musk. But for those of you out there looking to invest in something really good, you might want to consider the IBD 50 stocks to watch. So I'll leave the link for this down below, but it says Square broke out from its 254.88 cup with a handle buy point on Wednesday was at 9% rally. Good, but again, they're invested in the cryptocurrencies and they had a little get together with other cryptocurrency influencers. And what I mean by influencers, I'm not talking about people who create content. I'm talking about people who just say some stuff and it flies like magic. So this is a good read. I encourage you guys to come back and do that. All right. So for the most part, cryptocurrencies starting to take baby steps. Good. Gold, silver, even though it's still hanging around 1800 for gold, silver starting to come back and recoup some of that loss that it had from the other day. Just a little bit, but it works. That's it for now, you guys. Not a whole lot going on. I just wanted to show you that. Look, did Dorsey and Musk influence or change the pattern of cryptocurrencies? Well, they seem to be going up positively still since yesterday when they were meeting. That's it. Hit the thumbs up button if you don't like this. If you don't like the, let me try this again. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up button. If you're not a subscriber, please do so, because when you do, it helps out the channel, and I surely do appreciate it. You guys have a good one. I'm out.